this is Loli with another type tool trick. If you watched the previous video, you now know the difference between area text and point text. I now want to show you different ways you can use area text or text wrapping. As you know, we can wrap our text in a rectangle using the type tool. We can also edit this paragraph going to Type, Area Type Options. Here you can change the number of columns of your paragraph, the number of rows. You can change the gutter, which is the space between them. You can change the inset, which is like the padding of the whole square or rectangle, and the alignment as well. And also you can change the text flow, like how the text is flowing. You can also do all these with a shape you've already designed. So for example, you have a circle and you want your paragraph to be contained in this shape. Then using the type tool, you're going to click on top of the circle. See where the little placeholder changes? So that's where, when it's a circle, that's where you want to click. And now you'll have a paragraph inside a circle. And you can also edit it, and you can add columns, inset, etc. Cool. Finally, there's also a way to change the shape of the paragraph without touching the rectangle. So let's say you have a paragraph and you also have a shape next to it, like for example, a circle. You want these two to be integrated. And you also want to keep these legible. So what you can do is add text wrapping to the circle. You do this by going to Object, Text Wrap, Make. Once made, you go again to Object, Text Wrap Options. And when you unclick Invert Wrap, you'll see how your paragraph adapts to the shape of the circle. And you can change here the offset to give it more margin or more breathing space. And we'll click OK. So as you see, you don't need to be editing this shape. You just move this shape around and the paragraph will adapt to it. Cool, hey? Make sure you don't lose any of your text. Perfect, so now you have the main tools for editorial design. In the next video, I will show you one last type trick. Thank you.
Chicka bam bam, blue melon.